It's so good. Whew. 10 out of 10. Hi folks, my name is Allie D'Andrea. Welcome to my first Outdoor Solutions recipe video. I will be popping in on the Outdoor Solutions channel quite a bit, so you will be seeing more of me. But today I am going to be taking you guys through an orange marmalade barbecue wild hog recipe. That's a mouthful, but it's going to be delicious. This recipe was created by Greg Ray himself, and I'm really excited to jump into this. So I have here some wild hog that I hunted in Texas with Greg and Eddie at a From Field to Table event. If you're unfamiliar with Field to Table, it is an event that is hosted by Outdoor Solutions that will take you through the whole process of hunting for your food and processing it and then cooking something delicious. So whether you are a newbie and have never hunted before, or if you're a very experienced hunter, all are welcome. The point is to show you how to butcher the animal and then how to cook it and prepare it and make it delicious. So I was able to attend an event with Greg and it was incredible. I actually made a video of that on my YouTube channel. But that's enough talking. Without further ado, let's jump right into this recipe. It's super important to pat the meat dry with paper towels because when we put this in our cast iron pan, if it has any type of moisture on it, that's gonna cause some steam, and then it's not going to create the crisp, wonderful caramelized crust, if you will, that we want from this. So pat dry. I'm going to season my top round with some pulled pork rub. This is just my favorite pulled pork rub. You can use whatever your favorite seasoning is, but I would recommend using something that plays well with the barbecue flavors. Let's season. You want to make sure to season both sides pretty with a healthy hand, we'll say, and then pat that in like that. And then while this guy is kind of soaking up some of the deliciousness, I'm going to heat up our cast iron pan. Yes. It smells so good already. All right, so this has seared very quickly on both sides. We just want to create that caramelized crust. This is going to go right into the crock pot. That goes right into the crock pot. We're gonna turn down that heat just a little bit and we're adding the rest of our goodies. There's our onions, our garlic, our puppy barking, Abby girl. Got jalapenos. I'm gonna let that reduce down just a little bit and then I'll throw our oranges in. For the oranges. Juice side. Okay, I'm going to add all of these seared ingredients right into the crock pot. That looks so good. I'm adding 1 cup of chicken stock to deglaze the skillet. She's hot. Oh! Watch the steam. So that's half. There's another half. So we're deglazing the skillet to get all of the caramelized flavor from that pan into the crock pot. So that's 1 cup of chicken stock, and then we're going to use 1 cup of orange juice. Scraping up all the little bits. And then we'll throw that into the crock pot. Gorgeous. Let's throw this bad boy on low, cover, and we'll check back in 4 to 6 hours. So I kind of mentioned this earlier, but Greg is the one who made this recipe, and I was on the phone with him a couple days ago, and when I told him that this was the recipe that I wanted to create, he was like, that was one of the first recipes that I created myself. So wait, what am I trying? I was gonna say the stakes are high, Greg. My first video trying your recipe. It's gonna be awesome. It smells divine. It has been about 5.5 hours and our pork is ready to come out of the crock pot. It smells amazing. So much orange. Our beautiful top round is ready to shred. Wow, that is beautiful. Look at how long those look at how long those muscle fibers are. Why couldn't I say that? I'm going to cut this to make these pieces a little bit more manageable. Right now they're super long, all of these muscle fibers. So I'll cut them down into smaller pieces, but it's shredding fabulously. It looks so great. Okay, once we have that set, which I think that looks really good, I'm going to mix up our orange marmalade barbecue sauce. So I'm going to add 1 cup of barbecue sauce. I chose a barbecue sauce that has a little spice to it, a little heat to it, because that is what Greg recommends in his recipe. It will help balance out the sweetness of the orange marmalade. And I'm going to add half a cup of this. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, you can smell the sweetness too. Whoa. 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 Wow. Ooh, Abby. Oh. That's really good. The orange marmalade kicks. Very powerful, but in a really great way. And it's sweet, but not too sweet. I think the spice does balance it out very well. Let's dump this on our pork. It's gonna be really good. I can tell. So I'm spreading it out in a pretty even layer on this baking sheet, and then it's going in the oven on broil to get a little crispy edge to all of our pork. Oh man, that is perfect. Oh my goodness, that looks incredible. Woo-hoo! The smells. We are in for a treat. Calling in our official taste tester, Miss Abby. Wait, should I get her to come over here? Abby, come. Good girl. Sit. You ready? Please taste it. Try. I think that scored high. Okay, that's a good sign. Now it's my turn to try. Now it's time. Ready? Good. It has such a bright flavor from the orange marmalade. The crazy thing is, I'm not really getting like American barbecue vibes. I'm getting some type of like Asian dish. And it tastes so good. I need to cook up some white rice to eat this over. And that will be a meal. Big bite, big bite.
What do you pair it with drink-wise?
Ooh, drink-wise? I feel like red wine will go really good with this situation. Like a dry red. Wow. Do you want to try some? Okay. So good, right? So good.
Different than I expected.
I know, right? I was expecting it to be more of a like true barbecue flavor, but it's totally this like
street taco.
Oh, whoa, taco vibes. Wow. Well, I will say this recipe turned out incredible. I'm so happy with it, Greg. Bravo. Thank you all for watching so much. Again, I'm so excited to be partnering with Outdoor Solutions to bring you more fun videos like this. So if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the Outdoor Solutions YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.